the restaurante funnel. Vamos allá. All right, guys, we're looking here at the restaurant. This is the new funnel at Builderall.com. And this is the link, the affiliate link right here. And if this is what I was telling you guys, if you're going to give this funnel to a restaurant owner today, you can download this funnel. And by the way, this is what the funnel looks like, guys, okay? You can, let me just move this here. You can change the copy of it, right? So according to, let me look at you guys, pay really attention to this. According to the state of crisis right now, the coronavirus, and how would a restaurant owner think in terms of getting leads? I would then make the copy according to that, guys. Because this copy right now, if you really look at it, around the globe, attention restaurant owner, are you having a hard time bringing new customers? Yes, of course, they are, okay? Coronavirus crisis or not, they're still, they want to get new customers. How would you like a machine to bring you new customers ready to use for free, right? So it's a lead machine, but let's be the context of this thing. Let's be up to date on what is going on, guys, right? And that's what we want to do. We want to keep updated on what's going on. And let me look over here. Let's keep updated on what's going on. Was I sharing with you guys? I need to show you here. Attention restaurant owners, are you having a hard time bringing in customers? How would you like a machine to bring in new customers ready to use and for free? So remember, this is all changeable. I would put something, along the lines in the state of crisis, like here's how, an owner that owns a restaurant needs a lead machine magnet to get customers to their app, right? If they're doing Uber Eats, they would say, the best funnel for customers during this crisis to order food from our facility at the speed of light through this app, from the restaurant app, or, the best way to get customers to come to your drive-through restaurant at this point in time. It has to be along the lines of what's going on right now, guys, because we're not talking about, a restaurant in normal times era, meaning post coronavirus, okay? So we're talking about right now in the state that we're in crisis. So they're able to change however they want, meaning you guys, so you guys give them the funnel. And the funnel is really cool, guys. If you look at it, right, once they come here, it's gonna say, look, so let me give me 1 second. So once they opt in, yes, I want my machine to attract new customers, they're going to land, on this page right here, and it says, congratulations. You have just created your account completely free on our platform with your customer magnet machine. So yes, now we did what we said we're going to do. They're going to be able to now to have the funnels available to them. So they have their own account and their funnels are ready to be imported, right? So it says right here, the step-by-step. Click the button below to start importing the funnel right away. And after the import is completely done, right? Click on the edit button so they can start editing, and the editing screen, click on the logo and change the image of your choice. How amazing is this? They can put their picture, their logo, everything, and it's a whole 3-lead funnel magnet to them, guys. And this funnels, guys, they're able to get leads to collect information, capture information from visitors with page designs and built for their audience, right? So they can put their logo, their own image, they can put their chefs, however, and remember the context of the copy to what's going on right now in the world. In real-time restaurant people that need clients, they're able to do that now. Now, if this is post-coronavirus thing, guys, then you can just kind of like take a look at this and say, you know what, this actually could be good. Keep the copy because I thought the copy was very clever. Have you been missing delicious and healthy food in your diet? Where it's going the direction of like, getting healthier, maybe more than the fast food industry, level, right? So you want to have these kind of beautiful, engaging, rich website with lots of information, and you kind of be able to send up, PDF files and everything, and a lot of information where these restaurant owners could start collecting information, creating their list, and keep in contact with their potential clients. So attention, your discount coupon is almost ready. So they can run their coupons. That is the coupon funnel. Congratulations, we can't wait for you to visit. So this is actually another gift, right? Increasing marketing potential. Use our new data, use your new database to advertise to people who are really interested in what you're offering. So they're gonna say, yes, I want this funnel. It lands right here where they'll get their funnel. and it creates them an account, and now we do what we say we're going to do. They're going to get their funnel, their 3 funnels, and they'll be able to edit them however they want. And you guys also got a brand new lead, for your Builderall account as well. How cool is that? And guys, this is what is amazing about this funnel, the restaurant funnel, and all the other funnels from all these different niches, over 50 now different niches here, guys, different funnels that you're able to do. Where are you going to do them? Of course, is going to be in the funnel club, right? It's going to be in the funnel club. So there's so many ways around it, guys. Make sure you guys go to this page right here. Let me just check it out right here. Let me just go right here and just go down here a little bit. All right, cool. Let's share that. And guys, go to your Builderall account right now, and you guys can go into the funnel club. Make sure you upgrade subscription to the $69.90 plan, and you're able to have access to all of these amazing funnels out there, different niches from all over these different industries. And these are rich, beautiful, elegant, sophisticated, all customizable funnels that you can use to get leads for your Builderall account, and also to give away, and also to help, all these different kind of owners from all these different niches get clients on their own. And this is connecting you guys, creating a great network, and creating a database for you guys as well, and creating your own tribe, right? And this is an amazing way to do it. So check it out and make sure you upgrade. There are more than 50 funnels already available only at the Funnel Club on Builderall.com. Make sure you update subscription to $69.90 plan. And guys, that is the restaurante funnel. I'm hungry, But all right, you guys have a great weekend. And tomorrow, yes, we're working on the weekend. And tomorrow we will be back with another funnel, and also I got some other stuff going on as well that we'll be able to present to you guys. So you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure to stay healthy. If you're quarantined, stay quarantined. You got hopefully just a few more days before all this chaotic stuff passes us. And I hope you're safe. And I pray for everyone out there. This is Brian McMyer with Builderall Live at Builderall.com. Take care, guys.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site, or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.